Today we're introducing the Odoo Zoho Analytics Connector, a powerful integration that seamlessly connects Odoo with Zoho Analytics for automated data sync, insightful reports, and dashboards. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Click on the Home menu and go to the Zoho Analytics Connector. This is the Zoho Analytics Connector dashboard inside Odoo. It provides a quick overview of the data synchronization between Odoo and Zoho Analytics, including the workspace display and the total number of workspaces created in Zoho Analytics. The Tables section shows the data tables synchronized from Odoo to Zoho Analytics. The Reports section represents the analytical reports generated in Zoho Analytics, providing insights based on your Odoo data. The Dashboard section displays the total number of dashboards created in Zoho Analytics for a consolidated analytical view. This is the view shown here. By clicking on this button, you can zoom into the table for a clearer and more detailed view. Now, let's see how to create Zoho Analytics credentials in a few simple steps. Open a new tab and search for the Zoho API console, then click on it. Log in using your Zoho account and click the Next button. Make sure you use the account associated with the data you want to access. Finally, approve the Zoho sign-in using your phone. Now, click on Add a Client. Choose a client type, then select Server-Based Application, which is used for web-based applications that run on a dedicated HTTP server. Click the Create Now button. Enter the client name, then provide the homepage URL and authorized redirect URLs. Finally, click the Create button. We have successfully generated the client ID and client secret key from the Zoho API console. These credentials will be used to connect Zoho Analytics with our module. Now, let's go back to the Odoo backend. Click on Configuration, then open Connection. Click on the New button to create a credential. Enter the name, copy the client ID from the Zoho API console, and paste it here. Next, return to the Zoho API console, copy the client secret key, and paste it into the respective field. Select the API domain and click the Save button. Finally, click on Connect. Here, you can allow access to the required data from your Zoho account and then click Accept. The connection will be completed successfully. Now, click on Fetch Organization to retrieve your organization details from Zoho. Once the organization is fetched, select your organization and click the Save button. Now, import the workspace and dashboard from Zoho Analytics. Click on Workspace, then again select Workspace and click the New button to create a workspace. Enter the workspace name, add a description, select the connection, and click Save. Finally, click on Export Workspace. The workspace has been successfully exported from Odoo to Zoho. Now go to Zoho Analytics and refresh the page. Here you can see the product workspace imported successfully. Next, return to the Odoo backend and click on Table. Click the New button, enter the table name, choose the model, and add the description. Then add a line for the columns by entering the display name and selecting Sales Price. Once added, click Save and Close, and then click Save again to finalize the table. Now, export the table from Odoo to Zoho by clicking the Export button. As you can see, the product data table has been successfully exported from Odoo to Zoho. Next, go to Zoho Analytics and open the product workspace. Here, you can see that the product data table has been imported successfully. Now, return to the Odoo backend, click on Export Data, and the data will be successfully exported from Odoo to Zoho. Now, go to Zoho Analytics and open the table. Then return to the Odoo backend. Here, you can choose the data export mode, either All or Incremental. All means all existing records will be deleted and the entire dataset will be exported again, while Incremental exports only the records created after the last export date. Now, go to the Product Workspace. Now, import the report for a specific workspace. First, create a report in Zoho Analytics. Go to Reports, click on Create New Report and select Chart View. Drag and drop display name on the x-axis and list price on the y-axis. Switch to View mode, rename the report as per your preference, and click Save, then click OK. Now, return to the Odoo backend and click on Import Report. As you can see, one report has been successfully imported from the product workspace in Zoho Analytics. Click on Workspace, then go to Reports and select Product Detailed Data. As you can see, it has been successfully imported here. Now, create a dashboard for the product detailed data in Zoho Analytics. Click on Dashboard, then click on Create New Dashboard. Here, you will see Product Detailed Data and the Product Data Table. Drag and drop them both onto the dashboard. Then, enter the dashboard name and click Save, followed by OK. The dashboard is successfully created in Zoho Analytics and will be available on the Odoo side. Now, go to the Odoo backend, navigate to Configuration, then Connection, click on the first connection and go to Imports. Here, click on Import Dashboard. The dashboard has been successfully imported from Zoho to Odoo. Now, click on Workspace, go to Dashboard, and select the Product Dashboard. As you can see, the Product Data Table and Product Detailed Data are imported and displayed successfully. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.